This is my approach to building wealth through consistent investing and strategic portfolio management using dividend growth ETFs like SCHD and DGRO on the M1 Finance platform. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dividend growth investing inspired by the J.L. Collins book, A Simple Path to Wealth. Let's take a closer look at my M1 Finance portfolio, where I have strategically allocated a significant portion to dividend growth ETFs such as SCHD and DGRO. These ETFs are renowned for their ability to provide stable income and long term growth potential, making them perfect for investors seeking to build wealth steadily over time. My investment strategy revolves around consistent investing and reinvesting those dividends, key, to harness the power of compounding. By consistently adding funds to my portfolio and reinvesting the dividends, I am able to accelerate the growth of my investments and inch closer to my goal of living off a tax free dividend income in the future. One of the key benefits of using this strategy is the ability to generate passive income that grows over time. As companies increase their dividends year after year, my income from these investments also grows rapidly, providing me the reliable source of cash flow that I can eventually use to cover my living expenses without relying on traditional employment income. Now, I am 30 years old and just now starting my taxable brokerage account with M1. I'm going to take the next 15 to 20 years, as I have that time on my side, to invest in this portfolio and grow wealth over time. I will be reinvesting those dividends into growth ETFs such as SCHD and DGRO to really provide a dividend yield and a low expense ratio for the future. Thanks for joining me on this journey of building wealth with dividend growth investing. Remember, it's not about timing the market or chasing those short term gains. It's about consistency, discipline, and staying true to your long term financial goal. With this portfolio, I hope you can be inspired to start your own journey to financial freedom, considering adopting the principles of dividend growth investing and start building your wealth today. The best way to invest is over the long term, utilizing A Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. And with M1 Finance, they make it easy for you to set it and forget it. Thanks for watching.